Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. If you're a fan of two-stroke power, today's video is for you. We're diving into the all-new 2026 Yamaha YZ125, the bike that's been making waves in the motocross world. Is it the ultimate ride for both beginners and seasoned pros? Let's find out. Design. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 comes with a sleek, aggressive look that's built for performance. From the streamlined bodywork to the new graphics package, it's clear this bike means business. The slim, lightweight frame keeps the bike agile, and the new seat design adds comfort without compromising on mobility, perfect for those long moto days. Performance. When it comes to power, the YZ125 is a beast. Yamaha's engineers have refined the two-stroke engine, offering smoother power delivery and better throttle response. Whether you're hitting tight corners or powering through straights, the YZ125 delivers. It feels incredibly responsive, giving you that instant adrenaline rush we all crave. Features and technology. The 2026 YZ125 gets a host of upgrades that improve handling and durability. The suspension is fully adjustable, allowing you to dial in your settings for a perfect ride. The updated braking system provides stronger, more consistent stopping power. And with the new clutch design, you'll notice smoother engagement, which is a game changer when you're navigating tough terrain. The air intake system has also been revamped, improving airflow and engine efficiency, while the updated exhaust enhances power and minimizes emissions, great for both performance and the environment. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Yamaha YZ125 worth it? Absolutely. With improved power, handling, and a refined design, it's built to take your riding to the next level. Whether you're racing or just enjoying some weekend trail riding, this bike won't disappoint. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your thoughts on the new YZ125, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more reviews from Next Gen Reviews. Catch you in the next one.